Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. As a professional makeup artist, the top question I get is about foundation. In this Kathleen Color Lab series, I will be testing top brand foundations, such as Fenty, Urban Decay, Giorgio Armani, Lancome Dior, and more, to see what they actually look like and how they wear without primer and setting powder. And if you are struggling with how to choose a foundation, check out my video in the notes below. Today I am testing the Fake Filter Foundation from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty is known for their false lashes, but will they be known for their foundation? Let's find out. It's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen Color Scale, I give this foundation a 1.5. The things I like about this foundation are the full coverage and the natural finish. The things I don't like about the foundation are that it's thick, it's masky, it was hard to put on, it didn't blend, it had a terrible smell, it settled into my fine lines and made my pores look large. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is oily. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time when I review another top brand foundation. And as always, life is better in color.